Love reading, this is a collective love reading for everyone. Uh, Mag-ingat sa mga scammers, no? Kasi meron mga gumagaya or nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. So, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo or magpa-follow to offer readings or any services. So, mag-ingat kayo doon. Okay, let's see the situation of your relationship right now. Illusions. Nako. Be aware of love's illusions. See reality clearly. So, maaring you are in a relationship na parang too good to be true. Pwedeng maraming mga ipinapangako sa'yo, yung person mo, maraming plano, pero you have to check kung meron ba siyang ginagawa para mangyari yun. Find joy in simple pleasures of just being together. Okay. So I feel like your person has a lot of time, marami siyang time to be with you, na para bang feeling mo walang problema. Feeling mo things are doing well sa inyong relationship. But, be careful kasi nga, pwedeng sa ngayon, things are doing well, pero may mga, di ba pag in love tayo, parang wala tayong ibang naiisip kundi yung person na yon. Hindi natin naiisip yung future, hindi natin naiisip yung kung ano yung situation natin, kung ito ba ay maayos, tama ba, or magulo. Kasi in love lang tayo eh. Ayan. Merong baggage. Emotional baggage can weigh down relationships, unpack it. So, pwedeng the person that you're dealing with, meron siyang ibang issues na hindi mo pa nakikita sa ngayon, hindi mo pa nararamdaman because you are feeling high na parang you are in this kind of relationship na sobrang saya, walang halos problema. True love. A deep and enduring connection going beyond superficial attraction. Okay. So, some of you, you feel like this relationship is true love. You feel like ito na yon, no? Ito na yung person na para sa'yo. Now, tingnan natin what's the energy ng relationship. You have the Strength card, so Leo energy. This is about a strong connection between the two of you. You have the Seven of Pentacles. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong mga pinapangako. So, pwedeng meron siyang mga plans, pero naghihintay ka kung kailan niya to magagawa. You have the Two of Wands. Okay, this is about choices. So, mas maganda rin kasi na aware ka sa nangyayari sa paligid mo kasi baka merong pang ibang option yung person mo aside from you na pwede niyang pagpilian. You also have the stars, so Aquarius energy. This is about your hopes, your dreams. So I feel like you are hopeful in this relationship na maging okay, na maging maayos, maging successful in the future. You have the Page of Wands. So I feel like this relationship is still new, bago pa lang siya. And marami pa kayong pwedeng i-explore, alamin sa isa't isa. So hinay-hinay lang muna, no? Ah, kumbaga, take one step at a time. Huwag masyadong maging mapusok sa relationship, kung ano lang muna yung kaya nyo. You have the Knight of Cups kasi talagang sobrang in love yung energy ninyo. But you have the Moon here, so I feel like may mga underlying factors or mga bagay na hindi pa kayo nakikita or nalalaman, natutuklasan sa isa't isa. So it's much better to get to know each other muna bago ka talaga mag-invest sa person na to. Okay? So that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye.